You've been here before?
Yes, every week. I'm a cliche on two legs.
It's the sneak peek at our majestic poster for 2022. Let us know what you think in the comments below of our first sneak preview of the majestic fence banner poster for 2022. How exciting. This is the last year's poster, so we're looking forward to putting the new one up this year and getting that show underway. Oh my goodness, I've also got to run down now and change my tyres on my bike because we're going on a big trip next week to Lac-St-Jean. Where's the wife, you say? Andriane Leblanc? She's out walking the puppy.
We haven't introduced you to our favorite member of the family. It's a 14 years old fox terrier and his name is Gustave le Chien.
I'll catch her when she gets back and ask her about the bugs we got invaded with. She was very upset. I think she's coming up the stairs. She'll be very happy. Hello. You look beautiful. Wow, that's a sexy outfit. Woo! Woo, woo, woo!
Huh?
Look at that. Hot stuff.
Strap your stuff, they say.
I've just been telling everyone about the bug infestation that we had.
Oh no, you can't. People will think we're dirty.
No, I was just saying that I didn't understand the seriousness of it. We got home yesterday and realised that we have an infestation of little bugs in our pantry. We've had to pull everything out of the cupboard, scrub everything, put freaking vinegar on everything, throw all our stuff out. Well, we're halfway through finishing that. Fingers crossed we got them all. Those little bugs. Oh.
Very bugged by the fact that you don't take the bugs seriously.
But I do now. I understand now. I'm taking them very seriously. No, I'm laughing because it's serious, and sometimes you have to laugh at things that are serious, you know?
Don't make me throw this at you.
Now it's time to be serious about it and get in there and clean all the holes out.
Well, at least it's not bed bugs, okay? At least not bed bugs. It's not something like, we don't need an exterminator, but if it comes to that point, I will pay for an exterminator because my husband doesn't take it seriously. He doesn't mind to have little worms in his food and butterfly flying out. It's like in the Harry Potter movie, you know, you open the cupboard and then all the butterfly come out.
Oh! No fly. There's not many left. We've almost got them all, but I just saw 2 more. Ah!
We made it, we made it, we made it to the Olympic Stadium. It's great, look, it's happening. We found a good spot. And it's happening behind you.
What we're watching right now is the International Championships of Spotterall. Quebec, Montreal is the International Championship. So the best of the best are here to display their explosive wares. Well, I'm not sure if it is the best of the best, but it's the best of the rest. And they're here.
Something very special. What we think is Spain, but we're not sure. But what we can say for sure, if it was much better than Italy, which was boring as me trying to get in a swimsuit. Okay, you have to help me. It was so good at the end. Ta-da! Ta-da! There was a big finale with all the stuff, like they were blowing everything. You know, but I missed it because I was putting on the hand sanitizer. Because I missed a little bit of it, I'm gonna watch it on YouTube because I'm gonna watch episode. And that's my 2 cents on it. Spend it wisely.
It's been a crazy week, from those crazy bugs in the pantry, the big fireworks display, the crazy schedule Andrian's been having with the show she's been working on that's about to head to Hamburg. And I'm sure there's some other crazy stuff that happened. I just can't remember right now. We're about to head off to our very good friend's restaurant, Russ. We're going to meet up with Andrian and our good friend Russ, and then we're going to have a delicious... Oh! Hello!
Hello.
Look who's here! You look amazing.
Thank you.
Doesn't she look fantastic? You really can't go anywhere with Andrian because people talk to her all the time. If you're in a rush, forget it. Because she's a star.
Au Rose Ross, ils sont très occupés. Tu sais pourquoi?
Enchanté, and you know in Australian, you have alien?
Yes, actually, I've been there. To the place where the aliens land. Did you get to drink?
Bloody Caesar.
A bloody Caesar? At this time of day?
Yeah, well, it's almost...
But he thinks it's a breakfast drink. Huh? He thinks it's a breakfast drink.
Ah, oui?
Yeah, bloody Caesar, it's for breakfast. I think bloody Caesar's for breakfast, or am I drinking at the wrong time of day? I can't remember.
I always want to take what comes from the inside of the animal. Give me all the guts and the blood and I'm happy. Do I really need to eat brains and guts and blood? Yes, I do. You know, if I was a wolf, okay, this would be the parts that you keep for the alpha wolf. This is me. I need the kidney, I need the hearts, I need the tribes, I need the brains, I need all the, you know, if there's something that you like that nobody likes, like this, comment, because I'm curious to know what are your quirky tastes and food.
Salut.
Friendship. So this is it. We are here at our final dinner with my the two men of my life, and it's very soon, in 2 days we're gonna part, and they're gonna go to Lac-St-Jean together, and I'm going to Paris and Germany.
Paris?
And Paris, yeah, and Germany,
Who
and
approved that?
and Denmark. But this is it. This is our last moment together, the three of us.
Souper de finale. No, souper de fin.
Souper final.
Souper de finale.
À votre santé. À la prochaine. Bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée. Woo, woo, woo. Enchanté? No. Salut.
Salut. À votre santé.
À votre santé. Tomorrow I audition a self-tape for La Ronde because I want to be a zombie.
2015, Bordeaux.
Is it good?
Très bon.
Sweet bread, it's called in English. Riz de veau in French. It's my first time. Very excited. You're gonna catch the reaction. Oh wow. Oh wow. So happy.
You like that?
I love it. It's like a chicken nugget, but better. Thank you so much. It was delicious. I love Rose Russ so much. Everybody, come to Rose Russ. If you come to Montreal, this is the spot to be. It's called Rose Russ on Promenade Masson, on Masson Street. This is our friend Sébastien and Myriam, who's inside, and they are friends. It's good to be back in the family just before we explode and explore the world.
What an exciting adventure this is. I'm about to say goodbye to the wife. We're about to separate for 3 weeks. Can't wait to take you on this journey to the north of Quebec, to some of the greatest landscapes in the entire world.
This is Russ, my bestie, and this is Gusti, my Gusti. Russ is taking my husband for his first vacation in the north of Quebec.
Just going away for a few days, but it's really, I've got more stuff with me than if I had have been going to Europe for a month. Where are we going?
Lac-St-Jean, or as they say, Lac-St-Jean.
Lac-St-Jean, Saint-Henri-de-Taillon.
You've only got 2 more sleeps. You're on a business class flight to Paris, and you're gonna
I'll be all by myself in Europe.
you're gonna go and meet your best friend from what's her name? You're gonna go to Crazy Horse. You're gonna have a great time.
I'm gonna be
So-
with Sasha.
Sasha. Hi, Sasha. All right, this is it. We're about to head off to the great north of Canada, Quebec.
You cannot swim in the dark because there's monsters in it. And watch the big mosquito and the you're gonna love the flies. The flies are big like this. They take pieces of your skin. Bye.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
I love you. I love you.
Love you.
I miss you already.
Ah ouais, j'espère que j'ai rien oublié. Ça va être correct.
Bye,
Bye.
my love.
You're making it a torture. I'm gonna whip you.
It's 10:12. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Safe travels, boys. Safe travels.
We're taking an early stop, fill up the car with fuel so we don't have to stop again. We can drive now for 7 hours without a break. You can't really see that, but in typical Montreal style, the roads are blocked up for miles. This is the highway, and it's like a freaking car park. All right. Well, I guess we'll try and get off the highway and get somewhere more appropriate. We got off the highway to get out of the traffic jam, and we found a beautiful road to get us there, and more roadworks. It's roadworks all the time, and the roads are the worst I've seen. Ah, we're free now. Yahoo! Woohoo! We're free. We're not that far down the road actually, about 1 or 2 hour drive in. I'm missing Andréan already and we're only 2 hours apart. How embarrassing. We're driving to La Touque. It's about 175 k's from where we just stopped. And we've driven 15 minutes down the road and there's a detour. The detour is sending us back to Montreal. Doesn't make any sense. Great to be out of the city. I know it doesn't sound like it with all this traffic, but we're deep in the countryside now. Restaurant across the road here, Mamma Mia, or Mami. It's the best takeout in the whole of Quebec. It's closed.
It's a good thing we're not walking.
Well, I don't know. Maybe it would be better to walk.
Walk a bit faster.
That's it. We've been stuck here for an hour and a half on the highway. Well, it's worth the 6 hour drive. I'm not sure about the 10 hours that it's taken us to get here. Well, here we are. We're at Bouvetie. We've made it. We've had such a big day on the road. I think we were driving less time than we spent behind the roadworks. But we're feeling good. We've got beer, we've got food. We're about to unpack the car, get inside, settle in, have a little something to eat, have a couple of drinks, sleep tight, get up early in the morning, and we can have a good look around. All right? We'll see you then.
See you next week, and in the meantime, safe travels, everyone.
If you've enjoyed this series, then don't forget to join us next week on Lac-St-Jean.